Previously, we have seen how to make mango lassi. In this video, I am showing vegetable juice with beetroot, cucumber, carrot. It takes only 5 minutes to prepare. This vegetable juice helps you to improve the blood, skin glow, weight loss and many other benefits. Before jump into the video, please subscribe and follow our social media channels for more tasty and healthy food videos. Required ingredients: cucumber, beetroot, carrot, tomato, lemon, honey and ginger. Add beetroot, carrot, cucumber, tomato, ginger and water to the mixer jar. Grind until we get smoothie texture. Now filter the smoothie. Now add honey to the filtered smoothie and squeeze the lemon. Now, vegetable juice with beetroot, cucumber, carrot is ready. In the description, you can find few more juice recipes for weight loss. In the coming up video, I will show how to make corn patties, which is one of the easy and healthy snacks for kids. Thank you for watching and following.